Hello children. So again I am back with our English subject. So children, in English we are learning small letters, and in small letters we have already completed A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. So now we will learn small letter M and small letter N. This is capital letter M and this is small letter m. M says ma. Sound of M is ma. So let's revise the identifiers of letter M. M for mango, mango. M for mat, M for moon, M for monkey, M for mosquito, M for mouse, M for maze and M for man. So children, see capital letter M that you know how to write. So now let's learn how to write small letter m. Children, in each letter here arrows are given, see. So in the writing of letter you have to follow the arrow direction. See here, this arrow is going start from here up to down. So you have to write M. How to write? See, first you have to draw in the middle line, in between second and third line, in between these two blue lines. First you draw small standing line, then from here only draw one down curve, then from here only draw another down curve. How many down curves are here? 1 and 2 down curves. See here also this arrow going from here to here and then here to here. So you have to follow this arrow direction. Okay children, let's trace again how to write small letter M. First, see children, small letter M we have to write in middle line only, in between second and third line. Okay, in this blue line, small standing line, then from here only draw one down curve and from here only draw another down curve. One standing line, one down curve and second down curve. Okay children, this is small letter M. First you have to trace this line and now let's write small letter M. How to write children small letter M? You have to write in the middle line only, in between second and third line, in between these two blue lines. First standing line, then from here only draw one down curve and again one down curve. How many down curves? 2. Okay children, and what you speak when you write M? M says ma. M says ma. Now let's write small letter M in our English book. See, this is capital letter M, this is small letter m. M for mat. M says ma. So now let's trace here. See children, first standing line, then from here only draw one down curve, then from here again another down curve. See children, here we can see this standing line properly, right? So we also have to draw proper standing line and then 1 and 2 down curves. Easy, right? So now let's write here. See children, here dot is given, right? So children, we have to write small letter M in this middle line. That means second line to third line, small. Okay? First, what we do? Small standing line. Then from here only one down curve. Then another down curve, small letter M. Let's see again. Standing line, down curve and again down curve. This is a small letter M. M says ma. M says ma. Speak and write this full page. Now our next letter is N. This is capital letter N and this is small letter n. N says na. N says na. The sound of N is na. So let's revise the identifiers of letter N. N for nine, nine. N for nut. N for noodles, N for nest, N for napkin, M for nail, N for needle and N for net. See children, capital letter N, how to write it that you know, right? So now let's learn small letter N. Children, we have learned small letter M, right? So small letter N is very easy for you. So let's learn how to trace it. See children, small letter N also you have to write just in between of these two blue lines, in between of second and third line. First what we do, just one small standing line, then from here only one down curve. Easy. See children, here only one standing line and one down curve, right? So like this way you have to trace small letter N. Okay, now let's write how to write small letter N. Let's write here. See children, where you have to write, in middle line, in between of second and third line. First we do small standing line, then from here only one down curve. How many down curve? Only one. Okay children, this way you have to write these four lines and speak and write. N says no. N says no. So now let's write N in our English book. This is capital letter N and this is small letter N. N for nuts. None, nuts. Now let's trace here. First what we do, just one small standing line, then from here only one down curve. Easy, only one down curve. Now let's write here. Where we write, we have to write small letter N in between second and third line only. Don't go up and don't go down of the second and third line. Okay children, first from here one small standing line, then from here only one down curve. Easy. Small letter N. N says no. N says no. Like this way you have to speak and write this full page.